Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Marilyn Pagdasan. I'm 25 years old. I'm single, no kid. My education is high school graduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have no brother and 3 sisters, and I am the youngest of the family.
Do you have any working experience as a housemaid before?
Yes, my working experience in the Philippines is 4 years from August 2021 to 2025. My duties is to take care of the children ages 9, 11, 14, and 17.
What are your job duties in the house? Do you do all the household chores?
Yes, I do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and I do take care of elderly age 75 years old having a dementia.
Okay. So in the house there are living a elderly and the 4 kids and the couple, right?
Yes, sir.
So you're the only maid?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
No, I don't have any experience to take care of newborn baby, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. If the kids are very naughty, what will you do?
I encourage them to sing a song and having a patient to and find a way to catch their attention.
Okay, very good. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to support my family financially.
If ever you will go there, so as a first timer, you can feel homesick. How can you avoid it?
I enjoy my work and I treat my employer as a family.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No,
Okay, so do you love cooking?
yes, I love cooking.
What food can you cook?
I can cook native food or Filipino food, and I am willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Okay, what can you rate your cooking? It's good or excellent?
It's good.
Okay, so can you sing a nursery song for the kids or for the baby?
Yes,
Can you sing now?
yes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And ears and eyes and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Okay, thank you. So if ever there is a elder person, can you access them in their employer house with all their needs?
Yes,
If their employer, there's a car, are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
yes.
If ever the employer will not let you go to the day off and will pay you, are you okay?
No,
Why?
because I need to go to church worshiping.
What is your religion?
I am the member of church.
What is the name of your church?
Church of Christ.
Okay. So if ever, are you willing to adjust, right?
Yes.
Okay. If ever your employer want you cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong, are you willing?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo in your body?
No.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me because I am honest, cheerful, and helpful.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.